In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable Jira components and use them within your test cases. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more quick Vansah tips. Start by accessing Vansah directly from your Jira space. Next, open your Vansah project settings. Now, select Project within the menu. From the left-hand menu, click on Miscellaneous. Here, locate the Components option and make sure it's enabled. If you prefer not to use components in test cases, you can disable this option at any time. Now, go back to Vansah and open a test case. If components are enabled in your Jira space, you'll now see the Components field appear in your test case. Simply choose from your available Jira components and add them to your test case. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used Jira components in Vansah. For more quick tips, don't forget to subscribe.